Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use Wayground. Wayground, as some of you may know as by the name quizzes, is an application or a website that you can use to create so many kinds of quizzes that you can use with your friends, your family, or even your students. I have been using Wayground for more than 3 years, I think, since COVID-19, and I found it very useful. So today I'm gonna share you how to use Wayground and how to create just the basic quiz to get you started because there are so many features on Wayground for you to use. But let's start with the basic first. And if you like, please hit like or share and or comment and let me know. I will create more content about features on Wayground. Okay. So first thing first, you just go to the website wayground.com and then you just create the account using your email and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. You click the create button and then right now, as you can see, there are 5 options for you to do. Whether you're going to create just a basic test, so you go with the assessment, or you want to make it even more like a lesson or interactive video. This feature I just found out and I found it very useful because you can just paste the link of video from, let's say, YouTube, and then you can just pause and insert the quiz inside the video. It's very good. I really like it. Or passage for reading and flashcard for students to learn. So let's go with the assessment first. You click the assessment and then you can import either from PDF or the Word document or even from Excel. But normally I just go with create from scratch because I create content all by myself normally. So you can just do like 10 questions or 20 questions, up to you. I think the minimal questions would be 5 or 7 questions, we'll see. And now they even add an option to generate questions with AI. I think this one is very interesting, but let's go with the basic first. So here I select create from scratch. So you have to do everything all by yourself. And it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, there are many options that you can choose, whether it's multiple choice, fill in the blank, passage, or interactive video. So let's go and see. I'm gonna go with multiple choice first. And there you go. So then you can just add any kind of question that you want. Let me go with the basics. So is mm, Thailand located in Europe? So this question is Thailand is located in Europe. So the possible answer would be yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. Mm, I know. Thailand. I just make up some silly option and you can see like if I want to do an easy one or the basic one, so you can just hit the trash can to delete answer option. And there you go, voila. You have only 3 choices. And you have to mark the correct answer. So is Thailand located in Europe? No, it's in Asia, right? So no, it isn't. And then where is the save button? And here you can even select single correct answer or if the answer is more than one answer. So you can change to multiple correct answers. Let's say like if the correct answers are no, it isn't, and I love Thailand, you can just click here, right? But in this case, there is only one correct answer. So I'm gonna go with the single correct answer. And then save question is right here. See, there you go. You have one question. And they change the interface a little bit, but it's very quite straightforward. So the next one, let me try something else. Well, go with the multiple choice first. Uh, what? Mm, well, what are your favorite? Well, I'm an English teacher in Thailand, by the way. So normally I just publish my video clips in Thai for Thai students. But for this clip, I make it in English. So just in case other people may find it useful, and I would really appreciate that if you find my video clip really useful for you to apply to your teaching or to your classes. So next one, I put ask the question, what are your favorite subjects? So I just gonna put all four subjects: English, mathematics, science, and of course PE, right? Physical exam. Uh, well, PE is PE. So now what to do? Uh, if I select like multiple correct answer, but for this kind of question, it wouldn't work because this supposed to be like an open-end questions, so student will get the point no matter what he or she select, right? So I have to change from multiple choice to categorize draw open-ended poll. No, I have to go with the poll. Reorder match drag and drop down. Well, I have to change because as you can see, I cannot change it from here. So I have to go back and stick with the multiple choice first. So I'm just gonna go and change the question, okay? So what are Lisa's favorite subjects? And I have to give some more detail right here. Lisa is from Bangkok. She loves learning and she is. So based on this information, right? What are Lisa's favorite subjects? So the correct answer would be English and mathematics, because I just add some more information here. So just gonna go ahead and save the question. And next one, I will add question. You can select from here, or you can even add similar question by AI. And I try this option on my test and it works sometimes. Sometimes you have to adjust a little bit to your liking, right? And this one, let me select here, open-ended question. So here you can just ask anything and the student will give you or type in the answer. What is your what is your favorite country in Asia? So student will type their response here and maximum is 1000 characters. So it should, well, it would be appropriate for short answer anyway, right? And the default time is gonna go to 3 minutes. But this question I think is quite easy, so I'm gonna give my student only 1.5 minutes. And then I just go ahead and save the question. So now I already have three questions. And I will try one more for you to see what kind of question that you can make. Matching, reorder, drag and drop, drop, draw, hotspot, categorize, draw, open-ended. Draw. Drawing is a very nice feature, especially for students who use cell phone or tablet. So it's easy for them to draw, right? So I gonna make a simple question. Draw. So the student supposed to draw his or her favorite dish for me, right? So then I go ahead and save. Please add an image. So I select blank canvas, crop, replace, and there you go. Here. And then I click setting. I need to name my quiz. So demo class, subject. So I'm just gonna go with English. So for second grade student, you can select public or private to my school, right? And then add cover image. You can look it up online. It's very easy. So let's do something yummy, right? Okay. And then you can crop and you can select, come on, any picture you like. Oh, it doesn't show up. Here, and then you can crop. Maybe I only want to see only the cake part. Then you hit save. And that's it. It's quite easy. And then I save and I publish my test. And as you can see, this is a demo class test for second grade student in subject English, right? And normally, many people know, I think, that you just hit start now and then student will scan or either put in the number, the code, and then they will start to do the test. And you can preview this all together with your class. I like to do this for some tests that is quite difficult, and I want to go together with the students so we know how to think and what would be the correct answer all together within the group. So preview as student, and then I just connect my screen to show up on the board. Is Thailand located in Europe? So you know the answer already, right? So no, it isn't. And don't forget to let your student knows that they have an option to select these web booster, like this one's strict saver, strict booster, or times two will get double points if they choose the correct answer. So no, it isn't. And this question, so she loves English and math, right? Don't forget that this kind of questions, student can have an option to select one, two, or all the possible answers. And I use this booster and voila, we are correct. What is your favorite country in Asia? I would say Japan. And I'm gonna use my last booster. And draw your favorite dish. Well, I am using my laptop right now, so I don't even know what I'm going to draw. Favorite dish. What? This is supposed to be like what? Fried rice? Well, anyway. Uh, okay, this is like fried rice. Sorry for my bad use of mouth. And all done, the end. So that's it. And then you can review together with the class, and all the submitted answers will show here. So This is just cover all the basic. If you find this useful again, uh, let me know. You can go to my YouTube channel or even my website or my Facebook account. So anyway, thank you for clicking and watching this video. Hope you guys have a good day. Okay, bye bye.